Pratt, I'm not getting on Tinder, bro. Keep it in your fucking pants, dude, please. I'm not getting on fucking Tinder, bro. I'm not getting on fucking Tinder. Bro, I just don't want to play the skeleton barrel anymore. It's such a boring card. I don't want to play the skeleton barrel anymore, bro. For the love of Christ. I'm not getting on Grindr. Yo, if I just told that guy that I'm not getting on Tinder, what in your right brain makes you think I want to get on Grindr? I don't want to get on Grindr. Get out of the chat!